Hello everyone, Mark here. Today we're going to do just some general maintenance on the motorhome. I've looked and I cannot find a video on YouTube about changing the fuel filter. Now, it's in there. Trouble is with the vans that the hoods are so tiny that you have no access to anything in the engine here. So we're going to have to remove a bunch of stuff to get at the, I can see it right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is right there. Yeah, so here we go. There's lots of videos on the pickup trucks, but none on the vans. So hopefully this will help my fellow vanners. First thing we're going to remove is these 3 bolts on the power steering reservoir.
Put it down and you can go in the house. And get your lotion on and you go in the house. Let's go, come here.
Emmett's getting in trouble.
Come here, get your lotion on.
Get your lotion on.
No.
Yeah, Mommy wants to put your lotion on. It's sunny out. Don't be stomping on my tools. Next, we're gonna remove all these little plastic screws on this front cowl and get it out of the way so we can get the power steering bracket off of there. It will be. You got the flat screwdriver for me?
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, it's in my wagon. You see the engine? You see him? You see the engine over there?
Say hi, Emmett.
These clamps here, we just gotta loosen them and shift them to the right so that we can get access to the filter there. Next step is get this wiring harness out of the way. To do this, you need a short extension and a deep, what do we got there, 7/16 socket. Now for a safety tip, these are sharp and they stick to the hose pretty good, and I just cut my finger open, so I'm gonna have to put a bandage on there. Next, we're gonna remove bolt here and here from this wiring harness and protection plastic piece, and then we have to lift this up. So we'll end up wedging a couple pieces of wood underneath there. So there, all that work to wedge these pieces of wood in to give us the view of that cap there. We have just enough space to fit a 15/16. Be careful because it is just a plastic. So there's the difference. Yeah, it needed to be changed. Should do it every 2 oil changes, and make sure you put the new O-ring down here on the lid. There we go, so it's snug. We just give it one more little tiny bit. There you go, that's all you need. Now we get to do the whole process in reverse. Clean everything up. Alright, successfully back together, and I only have 1 spare part, so I consider that a total win. And the last step is to go in and cycle fuel pumps. I've read anywhere between 3 and 6, so let's just do 6 times without starting the engine. 3. And this is to fill both of those bowls with fresh diesel. Get all the air out, just to make sure that there's no air in the system. I think I'm at like 10 now, but we'll give her a fire up right now, and you'll see that it takes a while to start. All right, then, Emmett, look out! Come over here. Daddy's gonna start it up. Okay, ready? Yeah, see, it's a few seconds. Come on, Betsy. There she goes. We'll let it run for a second, and then I'll try it again and check for leaks. Seems good under there. Yeah, it seems good. The hood. Go in it. Last step. Oh no, you took all those out, eh? Okay. The last step of every job is cleanup. Let's clean up all our tools, so that our tools can help us out another day. Yeah, I just wish that you didn't take all those out and put them in different locations. No, we have to look at the numbers. See, 1132. That goes right there. What's this one? What does that one say? This one says 932, so it goes right there. What does that one say? 5. Over here. Right here. Other way. No, right here. Put it there. Yep. Drop it. Got it. One more. Just leave it there. All done. No more touching. You grab the wrenches. Let's go. Daddy, take that. You grab the wrenches.